12th, 2021, and the A-Tank officially leaves the town of Wheatfield Highway Garage on Ward Road, where it has been in place for 26 years, in a spot just to the left and further back. And it is now being carefully, gingerly taken out bit by bit. Here, working on the traffic out there a little. But here they are. The roads are blocked. And here it heads south to its new home at Town Hall on Church Road. Join the Huey helicopter, and this monument here eventually, as everything is brought together for the new monument and memorial. Here is a sort of parade of associates here leaving, including veterans from Vietnam, who remember the tread sounds of the tanks like that very well in their time. And like the Huey, the tanks become immortal and more, as does our Navy ships and so forth. This is where the Huey helicopter used to be, right there. The Bell Huey. And over there, behind the plow blade sign decor, is where the tank just was this morning. So, the shadow of the American flag casting itself on the lawn here. Say goodbye to a little piece of history. It won't be too far away now at Town Hall. This is Justin Higner, Town of Wheatfield Town Historian.